So finally, I got my vaccination today. We got our first dose of one of the vaccines, and it's definitely, I'm doing it first of all for my family. I got two little ones at home. My wife, she's a healthcare worker also, and we are just trying to keep my family healthy. That's number one. And the second one is to, I'm on the front line. I'm on the front line every day. Every day I'm on the front line, and I'm at risk every day, so that will help me help people. And then my team, all my team members, we had a great team of nurses in Fairfax County Health Department, and to help the community. We're doing public testing and locations all around the county. So I've been dealing a lot with the Spanish population because I'm bilingual, and they're totally scared what's going on. First, when they come to testing, I have to convince them that this don't have nothing to do with immigration. Then we get that tested and, explain to them, what we're doing, the turnaround time, and what they need to do to prevent the spread of COVID while they're waiting for the test results. And after that, what to do if they become positive. The population, the Hispanic population, there were a lot of positives in that population. Coming from that area, I understand, because one of the things is the social distance, but, some of them live in small apartments, and, they have 7, 8 people. And if you try, there's no way that you could do social distance. So I was trying to give them, some ideas, they like to kiss grandma every morning and stuff like that. I told them they need to stop that right now. Try to isolate. It doesn't matter how you do it. I mean, if one little room, get some blankets and separate them, but they have to get separated. The younger generations, I did have to convince them that, people are, this is serious and people are dying. The numbers doesn't lie, science doesn't lie, and they seem to understand when it comes from somebody, when you talk real to them and not politics, not none of that stuff, they really understand. It's just like everything else, we found something that's going to help the pandemic. I mean, we have so many thousands of people that die, and it's hard to change somebody's habits that quick. I mean, if you're used to gathering as a group for so long, and if something's prevented, now we have the solution. So take the vaccine, very important to help everybody, get out of this mess we're in.